Hi and welcome to the High Dimension Awakening Healing Program that you've just clicked on. The next course is going to be in Wales in the National Botanical Gardens. Looking forward to the next group that are coming through, that are resonating with these energies. You will have that level of awareness of the changes vibrationally, individually, collectively. Be aware of the detachment that you've been going through, aware of how you're needing more time alone and different space, and also the changes that are affecting us all rapidly, the control, and stuff that you no longer resonate with. This is an amazing opportunity for me to work with a small group of about 15, and we will work on firstly raising the vibration, working in the new energies, which you get for free, the £80 workshop day, which is the first day of the 10 days, and that will allow us all to collectively bring our energy together and work through the dimension shifts, the vibrations, where we're currently resonating right now, clear questions that we have, and looking at the timeline and what's happening out there for us all. We'll move on to the 3 days foundation course, which is allowing you to finally shift all these three-dimensional things that are holding you back, the old belief systems that are holding you back, you're not good enough, the self-confidence, all of those issues that come in that we now need to work with. And we move on to the Awaken, which will go deeper within around your heart center, your emotions, shifting what we call, or I call, the raw state that will have initiated and assisted your awakening, but maybe you're holding on to still some of that residue, and moving through to the ascend levels, where we then go through more in depth of the high dimension meditation, becoming the channel, being it, empowerment, so that you go out there and you do what you're meant to do. No, I'm not going to give you any secret tools, any attunements, anything like that. This is simply holding that space with all the experience and my own journey since 2013, delivering these high dimensional workshops, etc. And this is just simply holding that space and giving you the tools so that you can find your wings and you can fly. Finding your passion, finding your vocation, and knowing that you're not meant to be here to struggle. You are meant to be here to do what it is you came to do. And you just might not know what that is yet. I'm not giving you anything. I'm helping you get rid of everything. So we will be stripping layer after layer. It's a difficult process. It's not for everybody. You've got to be ready for it. You've got to want the change, and you've got to have moved forward enough to not want somebody else to do this for you, because I cannot do this for you. I will hold the space and I'll give you 110% support, but you have to do this work yourself. If that sounds like you, click on the join me. I'm not sure how many spaces are left now, but you will see that as you go through. And if this feels like it's for you, then there will be a place anyway, and it will be meant to be. And I look forward to seeing you in Wales. Namaste.